King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexi babes, in today's video we will be making a hot pink lip gloss. It is so bomb, so just stay tuned. So we're going to start off by taking our hot pink mica powder into a bowl and adding some coconut oil so we can get that mixture going before we add it to our gloss base. And I'm going to be using 5 tablespoons of coconut oil along with the pink mica powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our polyisobutene to the oil mixture. This is great for giving your gloss an extra shine. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our watermelon scented flavoring oil from L'Oreal Oils, and every single thing that I use in this video will be linked in the description below. And now you want to go ahead and give that oil mixture a nice mixture, and then we're going to add some of that pink mica powder. Now when you add your mica pigment powder, make sure that you get all of the clumps out and mix it really, really well, because you don't want to have any clumps inside of the oil mixture before you add it to the gloss base. Now we're going to go ahead and add our oil mixture to our 5.5 gloss base that I got from Get Suckered. And I'm holding this spoon right there just to prevent any lumps that I left behind or that were left behind from getting to the gloss base. This color is so beautiful to me. I love how bright and neon it is, and it leaves the perfect pink hue on your lips, and I really, really love this gloss. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. Always remember, when you're filling your wand tubes, never fill the gloss all the way to the top, because you have to add the cap and the wand stick, which will cause the gloss to rise, and it needs space to rise without overflowing. After I'm finished filling all of the tubes, this is the beautiful outcome of this beautiful pink, bright neon gloss. So here I just want to show you what I meant when I was talking about the wand tube earlier. I'm going to add the cap and the wand stick, and you will see the gloss rise, and it will not overflow because I left a space that was perfect enough for the wand stick. After adding all of the tubes to all of my glosses, it is time to give our glosses a gloss bath. This just contains soap and water, and it helps the glosses from being sticky. You don't want any sticky tubes, and it's just some extra sanitization. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an arm swatch of this gloss. It is a nice pink clear lip gloss, so it leaves a nice pink hue on your lips, and I love it. That concludes today's amazing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this bright neon gloss. It's actually available on my site right now. If you are interested in purchasing it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As always, have a blessed, prosperous day.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.